As you can see, this is a big tent. It's a huge canopy. It's 8 by 8.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. I'm doing awesome. Thank you for asking. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna do the unboxing of this tent. This tent is for camping, and as the description say, is good for the beach. Now the summer is about to start, so I purchased it on Walmart, and today I'm gonna do the unboxing. So follow me and let's find out how it is. While I was unboxing this tent, I found this bag. Inside this bag, I found this plastic, which I don't know what is for, but I'm gonna find out later on once I try to assemble or put together the tent. Let's see what is this for. I'm not sure if this plastic goes on top, on the side, or on the bottom. I don't think it's for the bottom, but let's see later on when I do the assembling of the tent. So this plastic is in place. It's gonna attach to some parts of the tent because of these little clips. Also inside the bag I found this little pouch, and this pouch contains the hooks that hold the tent to the ground or to the sand, depending where you go camping or where you place the tent. So it's plastic. Also, I found the warranty for 6 months warranty on the tent. And this plastic, I didn't know what this plastic was for, or this piece of plastic, but on the back I found that actually this is like a patch, just in case you ripped the bottom part of the tent. So you just cover the hole with this patch. So it's a patch included. The tent is supposed to be like an instant tent that you just open it up and it's really easy to assemble. I don't know if it's gonna be that easy, but I'm gonna find out. If you wanna come with me and watch this video, you are more than welcome. I'm gonna do the video of assembling this tent. And if you like this video so far, just click like. There is a button to subscribe.
As you can see, this is a big tent. It's a huge canopy. It's 8 by 8. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna pull these bars. There are 4 bars. There is 1 over there, 2, 3, and the 4th one is the one that I have on my hand. I'm gonna pull them, and a plastic tip is gonna come out this hole, and that's gonna lock in place the leg.